Hello loves, welcome to Uniek Makes by Christina. Today we have entry number 4 that I want to share with you. Yay! So this is for my 1000K challenge, which I just want a ATC card with your info and the stuff that you like and craft and all those goodness. I will put the link the video below. You have to the end of December. I did change the date on it, so you do have to the end of December to go ahead and enter the challenge. And if you see this video, make sure you share and spread the word to other crafters so they know that there's a challenge happening. But yeah, number 4 comes from CoopsPlaceCrafts, and I love this box. This box is actually a pretty nice box. But let's go ahead and see what she entered. So I'll be right back and we'll go ahead and open it. Okay, let's check out all the goodies in here and the goodness. Oh, I love, love, love. There's some shred in here. You know, I love some shred. I do love the shred. Let me take everything out real quick. Oh, wow. Oh, that's nice. Hold on, let me see what else. Okay. She did enter a card. Let me go ahead and look at this. Well, here is a beautiful card. I love all the colors. Look at that. So she left this open so that I could reuse it. Love, love, love the card. And let's check out her ATC card. Hold on, let me read the little note in here. Oh, I love it. So she does thank me for hosting the challenge, and she is still learning her crafty likes. I think we all do every day. She loves everything sewing, and she loves to upscale. Love, love, love. And she loves Halloween. So do I. I love Halloween also. So let's look at her ATC. Oh, I love that. Look at that. Has a vintage vibe to it. With the little bingo, little flowers. Oh, I love this. Love, love. And distress. Oh, yes. I do love it. And she does have, here goes her YouTube and her IG, which I will put in the description below. Her birthday is 6/10. Her favorite colors is green and pink. And her favorite holiday is Halloween. Yes. Actually, I love green and pink together, especially mint. But yeah, love, love, love. And I've seen her videos where she did have these bows and stuff like that. I love that. I used to sew a lot when I was a teenager, but I really have to get back on it. But look at that. And it's Halloween theme. It's a double-sided. Look at that. So you can do 2 sides. Oh, you did really nice. I love this. I love the eyeballs. And then he goes like a keychain holder. Love it. Look at that. Look how nice. Oh, you do real nice stitching. Yeah, I need to get on my sewing game. And then we also have this here. Let me read what the note says. Okay, so this is a cord keeper, which is, oh, this is nice too. Which I do have a lot of cords all over the place. Look at that. That's going to come in handy. And it's in the Halloween theme. I'm Halloween almost all year round. So Halloween is, in my craft room, is always up. Put that in there. It's always up. See what's in here. Oh, wow. Look at that. I love that. Look at that. She made my name on there. Oh, that's going to go right on my craft desk. But love, love, love. Actually, I recently saw where you could buy these separate. And I've noticed she does use these for her crafting also. Great ideas. Love this. And they all have ones by it. That's actually pretty awesome. But love, love, love. This is going on my desk. And I really love everything that you entered. I love it all. I love, love, love. So I will put her info below so that you could go ahead and subscribe and go check out her channel if you haven't. And go ahead and let her know that I sent you over there, that you saw all her goodies that she just sent, and I love it. Love, love, love. And like I said, I'm only asking for a TC card because I want to get to know you and be able to send you happy mail, birthday wishes, Christmas gifts, all kinds of stuff. I have a lot of crafting items, so I do like to share. But yeah, make sure you share this video to let other people know about the challenge. And it's like I said, it's been updated to the end of December, but I will also put the video below. And I love this. I love all this goodness. Thank you, thank you, thank you for joining the challenge. And like I said, if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification so you know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.